Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to apply for Medicaid online in Texas. Begin by visiting the Your Texas Benefits portal and creating an account with a valid email. Click the button to start a new application and choose the Medicaid program that fits your household. Enter personal details for each family member and upload clear scans or photos of documents. Save progress often and note your application ID for future follow-up with caseworkers. Start by filling in personal details, income, and household composition accurately on each form page. Select the program types you think apply to your situation, such as children, pregnant women, or adults. Use the document upload tool to attach pay stubs, ID, and proof of address, or mark that you will mail them. Double-check entries for typos, then submit and note the confirmation number for tracking and future calls. Quick recommendation and a friendly nudge. If you are finding this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, a book that shifted my money mindset is The Simple Path to Wealth, which explains smart saving and investing in plain language and pairs well with planning for healthcare costs. I linked it and other helpful deals in the description below, so check those out. And now let's get back to the video. After submission, watch your Texas Benefits account and email for confirmation and any requests for more documents. If asked for verification, upload clear files quickly or call the helpline to explain delays. Keep notes of names and dates when you speak with caseworkers. If approved, review your notice for coverage start dates and any managed care assignment. If denied, follow the appeal steps in the notice and gather supporting documents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.